Before I will start with the new topic, I will discuss with the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem, you will use the Pythagoras theorem for the right angle triangle only. Right angle triangle means the triangle whose one of the angle is right angle or 90 degree and other two angles are the acute angle is called as the right angle triangle, and you will use the Pythagoras theorem for the right angle triangle. This is the right angle triangle. I will say that this one is ABC. This triangle ABC is right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Right angle means one of the angle is 90 degree and remaining two angles are acute angle, because sum of the remaining two angle is 90 degree. Because by the angle sum property, sum of three angles of the triangle is 180 degree. If one angle is 90, at that time this remaining two angles are acute angle, and you will utilize the Pythagoras theorem only for the right angle triangle. Then in right angle triangle you have to learn some terms. So what is the meaning of hypotenuse? Hypotenuse means side opposite to right angle. If this here is the vertex of the right angle. What is the meaning of vertex of the right angle? When the vertex of the right angle means the vertex where the right angle will form, that one is called as the vertex of the right angle. This vertex B is the vertex of the right angle. Then the side opposite to the right angle is called as the hypotenuse. And these remaining two sides are the sides forming the right angle. Once again I will repeat, the side opposite to the right angle is called as the hypotenuse, and these remaining two sides are called as the sides forming the right angle. And by Pythagoras theorem, what Pythagoras tells us that the square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the square of the remaining two sides. What Pythagoras tells, that I am telling, the hypotenuse square is always equal to sum of the square of the remaining two sides. Means I will say that hypotenuse square is equal to sum is addition, sum of square of side 1 square plus side 2 square. I will say that this one is side 1 and this one is side 2. And I will say that in right angle triangle, I will say that AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. And statement of right angle triangle is that I will write the statement in right angle triangle. Square of hypotenuse is always equal to sum of square of remaining two sides. Two sides or sides forming a right angle. This you have to write in the basic book. In right angle triangle, square of hypotenuse is always equal to sum of square of remaining two sides. So I am saying that hypotenuse square is equal to side 1 square plus side 2 square. Again I will say that side opposite to right angle is called as the hypotenuse. This is the side 1, this is the side 2. This side and this side joins together to form the right angle. So you have to say that these remaining two sides are the sides forming the right angle. Everybody understand? This is the Pythagoras theorem. This is useful for the next topic, to draw the square root of 2, square root of 3, square root of 5 on the number line. If you will understand this Pythagoras theorem, at that time it is very easy to understand all these things. Okay, so try to understand these things, learn this statement, write this statement in the basic book, and this also you have to write in the basic book. Hypotenuse square is equal to side 1 square plus side 2 square. And I will explain the square root of 2, square root of 3, square root of 5, square root of 7, square root of 9 in the next lecture. Everybody understand? Thank you.